Up to Rivers behind the lines. Quarterfinal one, match number one starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
Here we are, everybody, the first game of the playoffs. For those watching from home, this is the autonomous period. It is 4 points for every piece of cargo into the upper hub, 2 points for every piece of cargo in the lower hub. Human players can throw shots in. This lasts about 15 seconds. We've got some last-minute shots. We'll see if they count, and we'll find out what the score is as soon as they count. And the number one alliance leads by 8 points. Teams will continue to shoot into the upper and lower hubs for most of the match. You will also see teams start to play a defense, which is very interesting. Also, keep in mind that teams are sometimes running their robots from the other side of the field. So if you look at the tape on the field, you can tell which side is red and which side is blue. So when you see a red robot on the blue side of the field, understand that their operators might be just a little bit hindered by the sight lines. You can see Galehawks 230 over on the blue side of the field being pushed around by Team Phoenix 23-42, being kept from scoring and being effectively taken out of the game. And that might be the goal of a blue alliance going up against a higher seeded alliance. In fact, 23-42 is pretty much dominating 230 out there. Bobcats 177 for the Red Alliance take their shots, but only make 1 out of 2. So this is being kept pretty darn close. In fact, the Blue Alliance actually has a lead. 1100 getting ready to shoot, but Redshift is coming in to try to stop them, and the refs are watching very carefully that teams do not pin each other in trying to do their exceptional defense. So with 45 seconds left, the Blue Alliance has a 3-point lead. And being this close, it's going to come down to the climbs inside of the hangars on either side of the field. There are 4 bars there. The lowest one is worth 4. The second one where 40-48 Redshift is on, that's the middle bar. That is worth 6 points. The high bar that 40-48 is going up to, that's worth 10 points. And the top bar called the Traversal is worth 15. And the Bobcats are moving up there right now because the Red Alliance is trying to pull ahead. This is a closer match than they may have expected. And so 1100 inverse polarity is climbing up for the Blue Alliance. 2 more shots by 230 at the end, and that should help with 3, 2, 1 second left. All 3 red robots appear to be hanging. This is their first time together. All of these alliances, this is their first time together in the playoffs. So they're starting to find out how they can best work together. And here come the results of our very first quarterfinal match. Won by the Red Alliance. 100-70. And you can see the difference in the score there. They all got the taxi points. Taxi points are for just moving off those little sections that you see around the hub at the very start of the match in autonomous. But for cargo, a 17-point advantage for the Red Alliance. And for the hanger points,